All right, so now we're down to breaking down the long block. We got the valve covers off, we got the lower intake manifold pin them off, and now we can start to see inside the head, which this looks like it's been ported. It's been ported all the way through. Cams look to be stock. Like, I don't know what this AL5 means. It could be stock, but I don't see any branding like HKS or anything like that, or something that would stick out to me. Let's actually see if this lower intake was ported also. That looks to be stock. Like something, looks like they probably tried. Yeah, it's stock. So yeah, we're gonna continue to break it down. I'm gonna start with these cams. Let's see. I see some different type of head bolts, head nuts. It could be ARP, who knows? But yeah, the inside of this engine looks really clean. You know, like it's just rebuilt. But yeah, so I'll probably set you guys up so you can watch me take out these cams and go from there. Alright, just got done stripping down the short block and assessing some of the damage that we seen. Some of the piston oil squirters were damaged. Cylinder walls look fine, but then some of the main caps look chewed up. So you can see this hole here is not completely round. And also the rod bearings, like probably 3 or 4 had copper showing on it. Same with the main caps. You see some copper there. So yeah, we're probably most likely going to source a new engine or a new long block, short block. Probably just a short block, because we're going to reuse these heads because they seem to be ported. Nothing's wrong with those. But the damage seems to be from the brush washers that kind of space out the crank. They must have worn down, wore out, and then started, you know, bouncing around inside the engine. Because we would need a new crank because there's some damage on the crank. Main caps. And yeah, I don't know if this is normal here, but these grooves, and they don't look normal. So we're probably just gonna source a new block and send that out to the machine shop so we can get it assembled with these pistons and rods. The rods and pistons look fine. Aside from, you know, they had some copper showing on the bearings, so we're just getting bearings. The rod cap bolts, they did show some nicks on a couple of them from that brush washer back bouncing around inside the engine. So yeah, once we get an update with the new short block, I'll update you guys and let you know where we go from there. If you guys want to see something, just comment down below, and hopefully I got a picture of it so I can post it up. Give you guys more information. Alright, until next time, y'all stay tuned.